product reviews. So you can stroll through my what? Okay. What was I gonna say? Oh my gosh. Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Fiona, and my channel has a lot of product reviews, K-pop diets, and workout videos. So if you want, you can look through my channel and see if there's any videos you like. So for today's video, I'm gonna try Momo from Twice, the K-pop girl group. I'm gonna try her ab workout, which is 50 plank twists in 3 sets. So in total, I'll be doing 150 plank twists a day. And I'm going to try to do that for, I'm going to try to do that for 7 days. And let's see how that goes. And I'm going to show you the results at the end. What else? Oh, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos, like, comment, and maybe give me some suggestions for new content. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye. Hey, 7 days are up, and I've been doing Momo's Plank Twist Challenge for the past 7 days, and it was good. At first, it was challenging, but it got easier as the days go by. For the changes in my body, I noticed that my stomach area has gotten a little bit more lean. These are only slight changes, it's not major changes. I feel that if I were to continue this challenge, uh, the the changes will be more noticeable. So far, yes, this challenge was good. I enjoyed it. I would actually incorporate like cardio or other exercise into it because doing the plank twist alone was kind of boring. But yes, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye. Or, oh boy. And here are the results.